It is time for the lilacs to bloom at the Hulda Klager Lilac Garden. I am with Dwight, and Dwight, it is so nice to be here this year because we could not come last year to come and see all these beautiful flowers.
Yeah, we've been shut down and we're excited about being open again.
Yeah, and it's so nice because it's right at the beginning, so you get to see the lilacs, but there's so many more that are in bud, so you know it's going to be a lovely season of bloom.
Yeah, it's coming on. They're coming on. The earlies are starting to show a lot of color, and we're just excited about the colors that are coming out.
So Dwight, when we come, what can we see when we're here?
Well, you know, of course, the beautiful lilacs and things. This year it's going to be a little different because, unfortunately, due to the closeness of the visitors, the house and the gift shop are not going to be open. We will have a slideshow of the house in the potting shed so people can stop and see what the interior of the house looks like. We will be open for plant sales though, and that's exciting because everybody needs a lilac in their garden.
It is nice, and really to take home a souvenir from the garden is really what gardeners love to do.
Absolutely, yep. You bring your car and we'll stuff it for you.
And so if we're going to be buying those plants though, maybe you can give us some tips to have success at home.
Oh, okay. Well, when you get your lilac home, lilacs like to be planted in an area with full sunshine. They like well-drained soil. They like sweet soil, so little lime in the fall, some fertilizer in the spring, and if you're going to prune them, which ultimately you'll probably need to do, you want to do it shortly after they bloom.
And why is that?
You know, they begin to set their buds for the next year right after the current blossom completes itself, I guess you'd say, and so you want to cut them so that then they will put new buds out where you cut for next year.
Ah, that is good. So, but I have a really small garden and I cannot have shrubs this big. So do you have anything that I could maybe have for a smaller garden?
You know, I'm glad you asked that because we do happen to have some. As a matter of fact, we've got 2 or 3 varieties in our sale area that don't grow more than 6 or 7 feet tall. And a normal lilac's like 15 feet tall, so it's hard to fit in a small yard. But we've got some size plants that can fit in just about any size yard.
So Dwight, it's so great that you're open today for bloom time, and so I know you're in Woodland, Washington, so right off I-5.
Yes, that's right, exit 21. You'll go through downtown and you'll see signs directing you to the gardens. If you need more information, please go to our website, which is www.lilacgardens.com.
Well, you know, there are lilacs, I think, for everyone, for every kind of size of garden. And when you come out to the garden here, you can really see so many different ones, so many different colors. And it's a long bloom season because there's some that bloom early, middle, and late season. So really, to come out here with your family and friends, bring your camera, and just enjoy strolling through the garden this year. Dwight, thank you so much for inviting us. It's lovely.
Oh, I'm glad to have you. Come and see us.